kids, I'm Bayan. Today, we're visiting a fun farm to learn the sounds of animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, it's a cow. Can you guess what sound a cow makes? That's right, a cow goes moo. Ah. Great job. Let's meet another animal. Here are some chickens. Can you guess their sound? Exactly! Chickens say cluck, cluck, cluck. Look at this fluffy sheep. Oh, yes, the sheep goes ba, ba. Now you know the sounds of the cow, chicken, and sheep. Next time we will learn the sounds of more farm animals.
Subscribe for more fun videos. See you in the next one.